Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can fix this app is not available in your country or region inside iPhone. This is Sabine from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So whenever you try to download an app from App Store and you see a pop-up saying that this app is not available in your country or region, so in order to fix that, what you can simply do is go to Settings, slide down and go to General, slide down and then go to VPN and Device Management. And if you have any VPN enabled, make sure to turn off the VPN, which might be the cause of the problem. If that's not the cause of the problem, then the next thing that I recommend for you to do is go to date and time subsection inside general section and make sure that this option is toggled on. It's not off, make sure that it's toggled on. And it's still not working and you still face the problem, then the next thing that I recommend for you to do is go to the settings, tap on your name right here and go to media and purchases section right here. Click on it and click on view account. And now after you've been led to this page, go to country/region section right here. And now click on change country or region right here. And then just click on one of the country in which the app is available. Now after you have done this, make sure to click on agree at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Click on agree again. And after you have done this, what you need to do is enter the street name. You can enter anything. Make sure to enter the city correct, or else you can just click on anything right here and enter the phone number. And after you do that, click on next right here. And iPhone will ask for the confirmation if you really want to change your country. Click on yes, and after that your address will be changed and you'll stop facing the issue of app not being available inside App Store in a certain region or the country. So that's it for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.